Welcome to Bit by Bit Crypto, where I get all the latest updates about the crypto world. It's been a month now, and what did I told you guys? Like, watch my last video. I told every one of you that we are gonna see massive gains for the crypto market mid-July, and after the after 22nd or 23rd July, we started seeing some massive gains for Ethereum, Bitcoin as well, and all the altcoins too. But guys, Ethereum, I want to talk about Ethereum. So London hard fork is live, and EIP 1559 is has released. So the thing is that every minute 2.5 Ethereum is getting burnt, means destroyed. Like, you can't find it anywhere, it's just destroyed. So just imagine the level of scarcity that it will produce in the whole market. And since Ethereum is the first project in the cryptoverse that offers smart contracts, and several DApps like decentralized apps and decentralized finance DeFi apps and DeFi systems are working on Ethereum's platform. So the what do we say, the demand of Ethereum is going up high, and the supply is going low. So what are we seeing here? Massive price hike in the near future, and Ethereum 2.0 is set to release in 2020. So we can say that till December of 2021 or January, we will see massive price pumps in the whole crypto market, and we are currently at $1.8 trillion market capital. So, and $108 billion of volume. So, and the best part is, if you guys want to know which coin you should, or which crypto asset you should buy right now, it's Ethereum, guys. It's Ethereum. And there are a lot of things I have to cover, and it's been almost a month, and now I'm making this video because I was busy in some other work too. So I've started trading in stocks also. And the thing is, if there is like 20% price dump in stock market, it is called as a, what do we say, bear market. But in case of crypto, the 20 or 30% price pump or dump is so common, so normal for in the cryptoverse, that people don't even really think about it, because we can, like, actually we are in a bull market. I've been saying for like last 1 month, that 1.5 months, that we are gonna see this is a mini bear market in a bull cycle. So we are going to see a second leg up in 2021, and after that a bear market will come, and bear market might last around 2 to 3 years. So what I believe is Ethereum will touch that $10,000, that is 7.5 lakh rupees, and after that it will go into a bear market. But the thing is, Ethereum 2.0 is set to release in 2022. So will we seeing that Bitcoin and like Ethereum is decoupling from Bitcoin? Means when Bitcoin goes up, all the prices of altcoins and Ethereum goes up. When Bitcoin goes down, all the prices of Ethereum and all the prices of altcoin and Ethereum goes down. So what if Ethereum decouples from Bitcoin? So we can't even predict what will happen to Ethereum's price, because it will move on its own. And if that is the case, because I do believe that Ethereum will at some point decouple from Bitcoin, but I don't know this bull cycle or in next bull cycle. Next bull cycle probably, but I don't know about this bull cycle. So 2022 Ethereum 2.2 is set to release, and after that the whole Ethereum system will move from proof of work to proof of stake. Meaning proof of work may you can do mining, and you can mine through your laptops or ASIC miners, etc. But when it goes to proof of stake, you can't mine Ethereum. So actually currently the most profitable coin for mining is Raven coin. So you shouldn't mine Ethereum right now because EIP 1559 is released. And if you go and search how many Ethereum coins are being burned, and around $20 million of Ethereum has been burned, and it's there is so much scarcity for this whole Ether tokens that people have started buying. If you will go and see the charts for Ethereum USD, then you will see that we are just seeing green candles, like 13 green candles in a row, not even a red candle. After 13 candles, green candles, we saw a red candle, but again we started moving up. And currently, when I was making videos a month ago, I told you guys that Ethereum is rallying around 10,000 US dollars, will rally around 10,000 US dollars by the end of the year. But at that time it was around 1800 US dollars, 1800 US dollars. And at that time I was saying कि guys, mid July start accumulating Ethereum. If you have like bought one Ethereum, and at that time it would cost you like 1.4, 1.3 or 1.4 lakh rupees, then you would have make 1 lakh rupees in profit. So right now you would have sell those Ethereum right now for 2.4 lakh rupees. Just imagine, a month ago you invested in an asset, and you invested 1.4 lakh rupees. Okay, now after a month later, you are taking out the profits, and the profit is 1 lakh rupees in a month. Just imagine. But I wouldn't recommend you to sell your Ethereum ever. But if you do know how to read charts, and if you do know when it is the best time to go in and like come out, then you should sell it or trade it. It's on you. But guys, if you want to be to see massive gains, like literally massive gains, hold Ethereum till 2025. Just hold it, because one Ethereum, what I believe, will go to around 40 to 50 lakh rupees by 2025, and it is currently at 2,30,000 today. So just think about it. Such investment, 2 lakh rupees of investment, will give you 50 lakh rupees after 3 to 4 years. So that's all I want to tell you guys. And I will start making videos again, because I've whatever the reason was, I was not making the videos for last 1 month. Now I will start making videos once or twice a week, but I will let you know when the prices might pump drastically, because guys, $3,000 US dollars of level for Ethereum has been breached. So we can see massive gains, because what we can see by end of August, we can see 4,500 US dollars, which was the all-time high, 4,440 US dollars, which was all-time high. We can see that. And by the end of August, guys, and September is gonna be so great. Just I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can see my portfolio from like, I don't want to reveal that, but I see my portfolio, and I'm so happy right now, because like I knew eventually, I knew that it will increase and how it's gonna affect my portfolio's value, everything. So I invested more. I started investing in XRP. I have a lot of XRP, a lot of Cardano, ADA. I have a lot of not lot of, but I have some amount of Ethereum, which I'm satisfied right now. I'm satisfied if I'm holding that much Ethereum. I'm gonna take out my profits when this bull cycle ends, and that's all, guys. This three coins I'm accumulating more, and also Chainlink, guys. Chainlink, if you want to just invest 2000 like 2000 to 2.5k something, then you should go for Chainlink also, because I believe Chainlink will go around 20,000, 15 to 20,000 this bull cycle, and this bull cycle might end in 3 to 4 months or 2 to 3 months. You never know. So that's all, guys, and we are gonna see a massive gains for massive gains for all the crypto, all the crypto assets. Like every altcoin will pump, not the one those are meme coins. I don't believe in meme coins, guys. I believe in legit projects, and I read those roadmaps, because if you are investing something, if you are investing a major chunk of your hard earned money and etc., so you should know in which asset you are investing, what it's gonna be like in the future, and that's all, guys. If you want to know which coin you should buy or anything like that, then you can write down in the comment section, and I will surely reply to it. And that's it. Thank you. Stay tuned.